here. Okay, this is the trade route. It means this is Europe. Here Portugal, Lisbon is given. Previously we have discussed the topic Portuguese, and we see that Portuguese are doing trade and commerce. Portuguese presence in India. Goa was their administrative center, and Portuguese are not only present in India. Look here, this is what Cape of Good Hope, and this sea route was discovered by Vasco da Gama. It has been written here in 1498, and Portuguese dominated this entire trade route. This is also a kind of choke point for the Portuguese. Okay, blue water policy. Okay, Carthage system. Not only this, I have also discussed that Malacca, Hormuz, they were also important choke points, and they were under the control of Portuguese. So this is Calicut, where Vasco da Gama reached in 1498. And here, if you look at the trade routes here, these are the trade routes. Now, when Dutch will come to India, okay, so when Dutch will come, Dutch are mainly interested where? In Spice Islands, Indonesia, Southeast Asia. Dutch main interest lies here. If Dutch will come to India, okay, where they will focus to establish, or what will be the eastern coast here, you can say the Coromandel coast will be their most favorite destination. The Dutch presence in India can also be marked here. On Malabar coast, there are important trade settlements. In Bengal also there is Dutch presence. Okay, so but main presence can be seen on Coromandel coast and Malabar coast. Okay, so before I enter into details of the topic, I want to discuss some of the important trade settlements of Dutch in India. This will be helpful in your prelims examination also, and this will also be helpful in building concepts of English and French. There is a very interesting thing. For example, if you look at the PYQs, you will find that from this chapter, UPSC generally asks question from English or French power in India. But the most interesting thing is that unless you will not develop a good command over Portuguese and Dutch, you will not be able to understand the core essence of the English and French. So the questions are being asked from English and French, but in order to understand English and French, the good understanding of Dutch and Portuguese is also needed. So sometimes we do what? We prepare in a way where we target questions, that which part questions are being asked, we prepare that part only.